Welcome back to our podcast. Today, we have an exciting lineup of topics that are not only crucial for the current market landscape, but also have the potential to shape the future. We're diving into Anthropic's groundbreaking $50 billion investment in AI infrastructure.
Absolutely. That's a massive investment and signifies how seriously the tech industry is taking AI. Anthropic, with its focus on safety and reliability in AI systems, could really push the boundaries of what's possible.
Right. This investment is aimed at scaling AI capabilities while addressing some of the inherent risks associated with AI technology. Anthropic has made it clear that they're not just looking to enhance AI performance, but also ensure that these systems are developed responsibly.
And it's interesting to note the context of this investment. With increasing scrutiny around AI ethics and safety, Anthropic is positioning itself as a leader in developing AI that aligns with human values. They want to create systems that are not just powerful, but also trustworthy.
Exactly. They're looking at long-term sustainability in AI, which is vital as we see rapid advancements in the field. For instance, with the rise of generative AI, there are real concerns about misinformation and bias. By investing in infrastructure that emphasizes safety, Anthropic could potentially address these issues head-on.
Definitely. And they've already made strides in this area with their AI models. Their approach is much more about collaboration with researchers and policymakers to create guidelines that govern AI use. It feels like they're trying to build a framework that could be a blueprint for the entire industry.
It's a delicate balance, though. As they scale up, they need to ensure they maintain that commitment to ethics. There's often a tension between speed and responsibility in tech development.
That's true. And with $50 billion on the line, the pressure to deliver results while adhering to ethical standards must be intense. It's a big bet, but if they succeed, they could reshape public perception of AI technologies.
Absolutely. Now, speaking of investments that could reshape industries, let's switch gears and talk about Toyota's new battery plant in North Carolina. They're investing heavily in electric vehicle production as well, aren't they?
Yes, Toyota is making a significant push into the EV market, and this new plant represents a commitment to that future. They're investing around $1.29 billion to build a facility that will produce batteries for their electric vehicles. It's a strategic move as they transition from combustion engines to electric.
This is particularly interesting because Toyota has historically been known for hybrid technology with the Prius. Their shift to fully electric vehicles signifies a broader industry trend. With major automakers investing heavily in EVs, it raises questions about competition and market dynamics.
Right, and Toyota's approach to EVs has been somewhat cautious in the past, focusing more on hybrids. However, with global pressure to reduce emissions and meet sustainability goals, this new battery plant could position them as a major player in the EV market.
It's also about supply chain resilience. With battery production largely dominated by a few players, having a domestic plant could help Toyota mitigate risks associated with global supply chain disruptions, especially in light of recent events.
Exactly. And this plant will not only create jobs in North Carolina, but also potentially strengthen the local economy. It's a win-win scenario for both Toyota and the community.
Speaking of community and economic impact, let's transition to our third topic, Too Good To Go, and its initiative to combat rising food prices. They've partnered with Whole Foods to offer discounted grocery bags, which is an innovative way to tackle food waste and affordability.
Yes, Too Good To Go is doing something really remarkable here. Food waste is a huge issue globally, and their approach not only helps consumers save money, but also addresses the environmental impact of food waste.
Their model essentially allows consumers to purchase bags of unsold food at a reduced price, which is a win for both the environment and the wallet. It's incredible how they've created a marketplace for surplus food.
And with rising food prices, especially in recent months, initiatives like this can really help families stretch their budgets. It's not just about saving money, it's also about making food more accessible, which is so important right now.
That's a great point. As grocery prices have surged, many consumers are feeling the pinch. Too Good To Go's initiative could act as a buffer, allowing people to access quality food at a fraction of the cost.
Plus, it encourages a shift in consumer behavior. By participating in this kind of program, people are becoming more aware of food waste and its implications. It fosters a sense of community responsibility.
And it's not just a local phenomenon. This model can be replicated in various markets worldwide, creating a broader impact on food waste and sustainability.
Exactly. And I think it's also worth noting how technology plays a role in this. Too Good To Go uses an app to connect users with local businesses that have surplus food, making the process seamless and user-friendly. It's a perfect example of leveraging technology for social good.
Agreed. And it's heartening to see companies taking initiative in solving pressing issues like food waste and inflation. It shows that innovation can happen not just in tech, but in how we manage resources and support communities.
Yes, and while there are challenges ahead, especially as food prices continue to fluctuate, initiatives like Too Good To Go demonstrate that creative solutions can emerge. They're not just addressing immediate needs, they're also paving the way for a more sustainable future.
Well, it sounds like we have a lot to look forward to across these sectors. From Anthropic's ambitious AI investment to Toyota's new battery plant and Too Good To Go's approach to food waste, there's a lot happening that can positively impact our economy and society.
Absolutely. It's an exciting time, and we'll definitely be keeping an eye on these developments as they unfold. There's always more to discuss, and we encourage our listeners to stay engaged with these topics.
Thank you for tuning in today. We hope you found this episode insightful. Don't forget to subscribe and join us next time as we explore more trends and innovations shaping our world.
Until next time, stay curious and informed.